Drywall cracks near ceiling or floor junctions are super common, but fixing them right can save you a lot of headache down the road. So, first off, you want to clean out the crack a bit to get rid of any loose bits, dust, and all that. Then grab some drywall tape. The mesh kind works great because it sticks well and won't wrinkle as much. Press the tape right over the crack and smooth it out with your fingers or a putty knife. Next, mix up some joint compound. It's basically drywall mud, and spread a nice thin layer over the tape, feathering the edges so it blends into the wall. Let that dry for at least 24 hours, then sand it down gently to smooth out any bumps. You might need to do a second coat of joint compound to really cover everything and make the surface nice and even. After sanding again, just prime and paint to match your wall. Doing this carefully helps stop those cracks from coming back and keeps your walls looking fresh. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall cracks near ceiling or floor junctions is not using tape, which makes the crack pop back up fast. Fix that by always taping before mudding. Another common issue is slapping on thick layers of joint compound that take forever to dry and crack themselves. Instead, apply thin coats and be patient. Also, skipping sanding or doing it too rough can leave your patch obvious, so gentle sanding between coats is key for a smooth finish. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot where homeowners can find local pros they actually trust for stuff like drywall repair, so you don't have to stress about who to call. Plus, it's great for contractors who want to connect with people needing work done without the usual hassle.